Hi everybody, this is Jan, out of the van, stuck in the house, and I hope you all are doing good and have been out of the van since February 15th when we got home, and we've been more or less stuck in the house. Our daughter has put us on lockdown, and she will get our groceries and everything for us. And then the governor put us on lockdown. So we have been locked down about 4 to 6 weeks. Are we going crazy yet? Not quite. But it would be nice if we got some nice weather that we could go out and work in the garden. One of the things that I want to talk to you about is, do you know the difference between sanitize, disinfect, and sterilize? Not a whole lot of difference between sanitize and disinfect, but there is some. When I used to be a Girl Scout leader and we went to camp, we would sanitize our dishes, which meant we put them through the soapy water. We put them in clear water to rinse them off, and then we put them in sanitized water in a bag, like a potato bag, and then we hung them on the line to dry. Sanitizing meant using 1 teaspoon of old-fashioned bleach, no odors to it, and a gallon of water. You dumped it in that for about 3 minutes, and then you hung them up. Didn't have to be hot water, just water. Well, that's particularly good usage nowadays with the things that are going on. And what you would do is use a rag and that same bleach combination and use that on your countertops, your sink, your stove, doorknobs, anything that you touch. And you let it dry on its own, and you have killed 99.9% of germs and viruses. Now, disinfect is a little stronger. That's 4 teaspoons of bleach in a quart of water. And depending on your countertop, because some cannot stand that strong of a bleach, you would use that on your countertops, your stove, your doorknobs, again, the same places, your sink in particular. And it is very strong, and it will kill 99.99% of germs and viruses. However, it is not to be used on any living thing. It will kill it. So that's the main difference between sanitize and disinfect. Unless you have the virus in your home, you will probably only need to sanitize. Now, the other thing we have is sterilize. And I think we all are aware of, in the old days, doctors having autoclaves. I know your dentist still uses that. And that is using steaming hot water or steam to absolutely kill 100% of germs. Now, can you do that in your house? Of course, boil water. You can do that. And if you have a dishwasher that has the hot element and steam, your dishes are also sanitized. And it's a good thing to use whenever someone in your household has a cold or something like that, that you sterilize all your dishes so you don't pass that germ around. So now you know what sterilize means, what sanitize means, what disinfect means. For most of us, just sanitizing is all we need to do. But I wanted you to know so that you can prepare things and keep you and your family safe. See you later.